Hi. Right now, I know I just already uploaded a couple videos, but I wanted to upload this one. I'm going to show you how I made a cheap DIY bidet hose holder. Once you get your bidet made, you don't want that hose flopping around. It's real easy to do. I just took a piece of clothes hanger, cut some off, and it will depend on the size of your toilet how big this will have to be. This basically I'm guesstimating. Okay, so I took one of these ends right here, I cut it, I smashed the end together, and I went up approximately 6 inches, 5 3/4 to 6 inches from the bottom to right here, and then I made a bend. And what I did is I made it this way for a reason. Okay, these hooks here, not even hooks, can go behind where your toilet bolts go through. Alright? And that will keep this in place. And then I put a slight bend in it, going down. So when it's on your toilet or underneath your toilet seat, your hose comes here, and you tape your hose to your hose holder, and this will keep it stable because these will be behind where your toilet bolts go, and you can adjust this however you need it. You can put whatever curve you need, and if you're using a pump bidet like the one I showed you, what it'll do is you have your hose here, and you tape your hose to this here, somewhere down in here, wherever. You have your bend in it. That way it will be facing the right direction. You won't have to hold the bidet, the end of it, at all. And it's just something real cheap to make, easy to make. All you need is basically a way to cut this. I used my vice grips, and I even bent it basically with my vice grips. In some places, the easy way to do it is, if you don't have vice grips, cut this down. Figure out how much you need, cut it down somehow, break it, something. And the total length, give or take, right here from the bottom to right here at this top bend, is approximately 5.5 inches, and then it's approximately 2 3/4 where the bend is there. And once you get it made, so basically it looks like this. You can take it, stick it in your toilet, push them together, stick it up in there, and it'll be sticking straight out. Then you just take it and push down here at the bottom and put the curve in it you need. And that will hold your bidet hose. It's real cheap, inexpensive, easy to make. Anyone can make one of these out of just a basic metal clothes hanger. There are other ways to do this. Unfortunately, I haven't really looked around my house for anything else, because I'm like, you know what? A clothes hanger would be perfect to hold that hose in place. That way you don't have to tape it down to your toilet, because this will hold it in place. And you don't have to reach behind you. All you have to do is reach over, hit the button on the water pump, and start the pump. This right here will, even if it goes up with the bend in it right there, it will go up and hit the bottom of your toilet seat and keep it at a certain angle like that. So it'll be just about right for whatever you need it for on that bidet. Alright, that's it. I'm out of here. Everyone have a good day.